Hey guys, I'm Yvonne and this is Marley, and today I'm going to teach her how she can do a faux lash extension at home using Kiss Lash's Lash Couture Faux Lash Extensions. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to use the strip lash adhesive with aloe in black, and I'll do about the size of a pea in the middle glue pocket. That'll be enough to do most of our lashes. Okay, so the best tool to use is a pair of tweezers to lift the lashes off of the tray. Sometimes if we use our fingers, we can warp or distort the lashes. I'm going to start with the medium and just grip the cluster right at the root and lift up and out. Next, we're going to use the flat band of the cluster to dip into the glue. Just a little bit goes a long way. You don't have to oversaturate. I love that these lashes have a flat band technology. That means it doesn't roll over when you're placing it on the lash. So when I place, it is completely undetectable. I love using lash extensions because you're in control of how much length and volume you want to build. Here's a pro tip. Pretend the eye is like the upper part of a clock and just apply one of the medium lashes outside at like 3, and then the short lashes at 12 and 9, and then continue to work back and forth until you have your desired level of length and fullness. There's actually 20 hairs in each lash cluster, so I can go from natural to full glam in no time. So what do you think?
Oh, I love it. It looks amazing.
It looks so good.
So good.
Are you ready to try it yourself?
I am. Let's do it.
Okay, let's go. Okay, Marley, so since you already admitted you're a beginner, I'm going to give you the clear glue because it's a little bit easier to work with.
Okay.
We'll pour a little bit of the size of a pea in the glue pocket and we are ready to go. Okay, so to get started, we're going to take one of the medium lashes and pick it up. Just a little bit of glue is all we need. And as you're lifting it up, lift it like a scoop of ice cream. Place it on top of your lash on the outer edge. Be sure you don't apply it to the skin. The actual lash is where you want this to land. Amazing! So here is the final look. You've done such an incredible job matching my side. I think you should be a professional makeup artist. So I know you don't want to take these off, like ever.
No.
But when you do, it's a really easy way to remove them. You're going to just use a little bit of your makeup remover and a Q-tip. I like to work off the back of my hand so I can apply it just to the lash line right at the root. I'll let it sit on there for about a minute or so and then go back in with my Q-tip and just roll and pull each individual off. They should slide off super easy, no problem, and it won't be damaging to the lashes at all. So that concludes our how to get lash extensions at home by yourself. Easy peasy, you did such a great job.
Thank you.
I know I'm gonna be using these in my kit on all of my clients, and you're probably gonna wanna take these home with you.
Definitely want to.
Thank you, Kiss, for having us.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.